welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a favorites video. If you guys want to see what has been my current favorites, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright, so I want to come on here and do a quick video because tomorrow is Monday and my schedule is every Monday, and I have not done a video because my hair has been literally in this little donut bun bushy ponytail for the past week. I did get the flat iron straight, so my hair is straight right now, but it's rained here and got wet, so it's in bushy, so I just put it in this little ponytail, and I'm just too lazy to wash it today. So I want to go ahead and do a favorites video. I've been wanting to do this video, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is just the hair products that I have been loving the past month, and actually since my last favorites video was I think in April, so this is from April up until now. It's starting to rain. How crazy is that? I just talked about rain. So the first thing we'll talk about is my edge control that I love to use, which is this Style Factor Edge Control, and I got the scent Sweet Peach scent, and I've been using this like religiously. This is how much I have left in the jar. This is super duper good to get your edges laid like I have mine today. The only thing I can say bad about this is that if you use too much of it, you will have a white cast over your hair. So all I do is to combat that is just take a hot wash rag or whatever, or some hot water, and just kind of like, you know, re-go over it, and kind of dissolves the whiteness of it. Like I have a little bit right here. It looks like product buildup, but it's really not. So I combat that by hot water. Hot water actually gets rid of that. And I learned that from Happy Girl. She kind of talked about this edge gel and how to combat the whiteness, and so that's where I learned it from, and it works for me. So passing it on to you guys. All right, so next thing I'm gonna talk about is my Wash and Go favorite gel right now. I have been using this gel religiously for my past like 5 wash and goes before I actually got my hair done. Straightened. I actually love this gel. This is the Eco Styler Black Seed and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I use this to actually do a wash and go. It has like a pearlized finish to it. The smell of it, it's like a perfumey smell, but it smells really good, but it's not too heavy. As you guys know, Eco Styler is very, very affordable gel. And this leaves my hair so shiny, and it gives me a lot of definition. I just truly love this gel. Alright, so next thing I'm going to talk about is, as you guys know, again, I did a review on this Kenya Moore hair care line. I personally love the mask out of the shampoo, conditioner, and the mask. The mask is my absolute favorite. And this is about how much I have left. Maybe I may have 2 more uses out of this, and I'll be done with the jar. It doesn't take a lot to distribute across my hair. I love the way it melts in my hair when I put it in there. This is a really good deep conditioner. It smells really good. And I do see a difference in my hair from using this. It makes my hair super duper moisturized when I rinse it out, and I see my curls like really bounce back. So I really like this. It's a restorative hair mask, restorative growth mask, and I highly recommend it. Alright, so now we're going to talk about some makeup products that I have been loving. Since then, I've recently this is actually my second bottle that I purchased, and I usually don't purchase high-end foundations because there's so many good drugstore ones. But lately, since I've gone back to work for my maternity leave, I just have been the basic, just doing basic makeup, which is just the basics, foundation, concealer, and going by my business. But this foundation has not let me down, and which is why I keep reaching for this. I have all these other foundations, but I keep reaching for this same foundation. So I ended up re-upping on it. I got some last weekend when I was in Houston at the Galleria. So I'm talking about the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I am in the shade color 430. I'm in 430 Pro Filter Foundation. This stuff, y'all, this is what I'm wearing today. It is like flawless. It gives you a flawless finish. I like how it's not super matte where it's not drying to your skin, but it's matte enough for me to stay matte throughout the day. I use this, and I have not been using the primer. That's crazy. I don't use the primer or moisturizer. I wash my face. I have oily skin, if you didn't know. I wash my face, and I don't use a moisturizer or a primer. I go straight in with my foundation, my concealer, my eyebrows, eyelashes, and I'm out the door. And it looks really good. This foundation sets the whole canvas for everything else to look good. So This, like I said, it's a little pricey. It's $34, I want to say, for it's 1 fluid ounce. I'm assuming most foundations, so yeah, 1.08 fluid ounces is what most foundations come in. So a little pricey, but if I, you know, used it every day like I did, I really do feel like I got my month's worth. Well, it's more than a month. It's only about 2 months since I've been using this. So if you think about $34 for 2 months, if I wear makeup Monday through Friday, it's not that bad, but it's just a lot having to pay $34 when I can go to the drugstore and buy 5 of them, you know, for that price of 1. So, but you pay for what you get, and I really like that foundation. So again, I highly recommend that. All right, so moving on, still sticking to the makeup. This again is high end. I am very cheap usually. Well, I wouldn't say cheap. I'm frugal when it comes down to certain things, but this particular item was recommended to me by Atia Rich here on YouTube. I follow her on Snapchat and Instagram. I know her personally. Hey Tia. So she told me about her favorite signature lip combo is MAC's Vino or Plum and Snob lip gloss. So me, I went out and I brought it because I'm like, it looks good on her. We're about the same texture, you know, brown skin girls. Maybe it'll look good on me. I did not, they were out of stock on Plum, I believe, or whatever color it is. So I got the alternative, which is the NYX. I don't remember what the name of it is, but the NYX, in the NYX color, I got that and I used it. And I used it for a little while, but I mean, it wasn't my cup of tea. So, but my cup of tea is this lip gloss that I'm wearing right now. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, like, my makeup has been so basic lately. It has been just foundation, concealer, lashes, eyebrows, and this Snob lip gloss. And it gives you such a fresh, it gives me such a fresh, clean look and just simple. And I can do it in 15 minutes. So this lip gloss here, this is MAC lip gloss, I'm assuming. This is the lip gloss color in Snob. I'm wearing it today. It's the perfect shade of pink. It looks so good on my skin color. And you know, you can wear this. I don't even have a lip liner on right now. This is just strictly just the lip gloss. You can put a lip liner on it like Atia does. You can use a brown lip liner or red lip liner or whatever the color you want to. This color looks good with everything that I've tried it with. This has been like my go-to lip combo for anything, or just my basic lip like today. If I do a lot on my eyes like I kind of did today, then I'll just do a simple look like this. Or if I do nothing on my eyes, I still reach for this. I want to get another one of these, but MAC is, you know, it's kind of expensive for MAC. But I even told this about I told my sister about this. This has been my favorite lip gloss, or whatever color it is. I mean, whatever name it is. This has been my absolute favorite thing to put on my lips, and I highly recommend it. If you're dark skin, light skin, brown skin, white, Caucasian, African, whatever color you are, I can guarantee you this lip color is gonna look good on you. And it's not sticky. It lasts a pretty good time. Like, I'm gonna put it on right now just cause I want some more. But you can see how, like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I can put a whole lot on and it still looks good, or just a little bit and it still looks good. This is just so good. So good. Moving on. Alright, so that is all the hair and makeup. So we're gonna move on to random and kind of personal and all the other stuff. Alright guys, so sorry about that. My memory card was full, so I had to delete some stuff and redo it. So if I'm repositioned on the cameras, because I have to stop, refocus, do my voice, you know, the whole 9 yards. So, but we're back in actions, and this video is almost over with. So I'm going to talk about what I've been using lately for my vitamins. I've been using this natural gummies, hair, skin, and nail vitamins. They taste so, I already had some today, so I can't eat another one, but they're about that small, and they taste so good. It is the raspberry flavor, and I've been using this for about a month now. And I take 2 per day. I usually take it at night while I'm doing my skincare, like when I put my makeup and everything. I have it on my vanity to take every night. I am still breastfeeding, so I still need vitamins, but I'm not taking my prenatals anymore. I switched over to these, the hair, skin, and nail ones, and they've been doing pretty good with my hair and my nails. I still see my nails growing like crazy because I still have to get my nails done every 2 weeks. But I still, you know, I think it's good. It's affordable. I got them from Walgreens or CVS, and I want to say maybe they were $12. So I've been loving that. The next thing that I've been loving is this Bath and Body Works Gingham, whatever you want to call it. It's G-I-G-H-A-M. Y'all, this stuff smells so amazing. This is their newest scent. Well, actually, this is not the newest one. This is like the second to newest one. When I went in there, she told me that this was the newest one this year, but there was another one that came out after that, and I didn't really care for it. I can't remember the name of it, but this stuff here, I mean, I've used this about that much. Ever since I brought this, I've been using it every single day. This has replaced my actual true perfume. Like, that speaks a lot, because I usually wear perfume every day, but this has been my go-to. I get compliments when I wear this. And y'all, this was pretty affordable. I brought my niece Karen's birthday was recently at the beginning of this month, and I brought her the same exact thing. So it was buy 3 get 3 free. So I got 3. I got the body wash, the lotion in this, and she got 3. And I want to say my total was like $30 or $40 for all 6 of these, which is not bad at all. So I used the body wash, the lotion, the body cream, and this, and I layer it, and it's so good. So good. Even my husband's like, what you wearing today? And I'm like, what? When you like to know. So I don't know. I just really think that this smells really good to stay for its Bath and Body Works, and it's affordable. And I usually only shop there around the holidays when there's a sale or the Yellow Duck sale. So this is my first time buying full price, and it wasn't that expensive. So yeah, I have been loving the Gingham Bath and Body Works smell. Alright, so last but not least, this is what I actually need to use right now because the sister is hot in this filming area. Oh my gosh, these fans, and not the fans. I have one ceiling fan on, and these lights, it's making me hot. So this is what I have been actually loving. I got this literally maybe March, April of last year. I was still pregnant when I brought this. I brought 2 of these because I knew we were going on vacation. I needed one for my daughter for vacation for Mila, and then I wanted one as well to dry my makeup. I use this every single day. This is rechargeable. It's rechargeable. It's a handheld fan, and of course it comes off of Amazon because I'm the Amazon queen. I get packages here every other day. Nothing to brag about, but I'm just saying I really love Amazon. It's so convenient. But anyways, I got this from Amazon, and of course it's from China. And I want to say I don't remember, it wasn't expensive at all, but y'all, it lights up in 3 settings. This is the low setting, medium setting, high setting. And it works really good. Like, I dry my makeup after I set my face. I dry it in like less than a minute because I just do this. I used to be old school and have a fan to dry my face, but now I'm bougie now, boo. I got me a fan. So I love this thing. We actually use this, like I said, on vacation. And I've been having this since March, and I've only had to recharge this thing once. So the battery life is good, but I mean, I only use it for a minute a day usually. Whenever my son had a soccer game yesterday, we brought the other one as well with the girls in the stroller, and they use this. This is just it comes in black, white, pink, and I think that's the only colors it has. I don't know. Love this thing. I love it, love it, love it. So if you're looking for a fan or something to dry your makeup with, or just something to dry your nails with, just a handheld, good fan, good quality fan for a cheap price, this is it. It comes with a little stand that I just, I keep like this on my makeup stand. I don't know why, because it'll still stand by itself if you do it there. But it comes with a little stand. It comes with a rechargeable a USB cord, and also it comes with a lanyard if you want to put it around your neck, which is what we use for vacation. So I truly like that. Alright guys, so that pretty much completes this video. Thank you guys for staying tuned for the whole entirety of the video. I really appreciate it. You are the real one if you did that. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as I always say, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorites are, what kind of videos you want to see me film, what next, because I have actually been running out of ideas what to film, what product line y'all want me to review. Anything is open. So I mean, if y'all want me to review something, let me know, and if it's highly requested, of course I'll buy it, whatever. So y'all just let me know. And I want to keep you guys interested in my channel, keep you guys coming back every Monday for a new video. So y'all let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more vlogs, lifestyle, hair reviews, favorites, what y'all want to see on my channel. Let me know. So comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.